The SB20 Plus is a column beam machine from our range of medium format machines. It has a very robust design and is available both as a tabletop and column type machine. It is driven by a maintenance-free and smooth-running three-phase motor. The machine's functions and settings, such as the speed, can be easily adjusted to a wide range of applications via the control panel. The integrated OLED display clearly shows you the current parameters, such as the current speed and drilling depth. Drilling and tapping modes can be selected at the touch of a button, allowing you to program them intuitively. The standard LED lighting and the optional coolant supply can be switched on and off, and the optional coolant unit can be controlled. Using the drilling depth stop, we can easily and ergonomically set the planned drilling depth and thus precisely limit the stroke to the desired drilling depth. The height of the robust machine table can be adjusted easily and precisely using a rack and pinion drive. To ensure optimum work safety, we install a drilling guard with electrical protection and an emergency stop button as standard. To safely complete the drilling process, you can also activate a spindle stop function. If you opt for the SB20 Plus, we will give you a full 3-year guarantee. Additional information and technical data can be found on our website. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us.